Hey everyone, here's a quick DIY treatment. You'll need 1 tablespoon clear sage, lavender, coconut oil, and a glass container to mix your ingredients. Now I have medium length hair, so I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. The recipe only calls for 1, but you can use as much as you like. Next, I'm going to add 2 drops of lavender essential oil and 2 drops of clear sage essential oil. I'm going to mix all the ingredients together and pour it into an applicator bottle. So I'm going to use my Cure-Redo to add moisture back into my hair, add the oil treatment, and then put a plastic bag over my head and have this treatment marinate in my hair overnight. Oh yeah. And we are done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Thursday. Have an awesome day.